Hey everyone, long time no see. Today we are going to make a lava cake, but in the middle we will add a Lindor Truffle, which will give it a liquidy gooey center perfect for a lava cake. First thing you need to do is grease 4 6-ounce ramekins with cooking spray, then dust them with some cocoa powder and put them aside. In a large bowl, add 1 stick or 115 grams of unsalted butter along with 8 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate and melt them in the microwave using 30-second bursts. Then mix in 50 grams of powdered or granulated sugar, followed by 2 large eggs and 2 egg yolks. The eggs will take some effort to fully mix, so make sure they're properly combined before adding in a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. The only thing left to add now is 30 grams of all-purpose flour, which you should fold in to mix instead of using a whisk. Now all you need to do is divide half the batter among the 4 ramekins and then place in a Lindor Truffle. Be sure to gently push it in, but don't let it touch the bottom of the ramekin. Then add the remaining batter on top of the truffles. Finally, place the ramekins in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Once they're done baking, let them cool for 30 minutes. You can enjoy them just as they are or dust some powdered sugar on top and add a scoop of vanilla ice cream for the perfect chocolate lava cake. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the recipe and please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.